Good morning, AI enthusiasts. This is Babs, your host for today's AI News Roundup, brought to you by AI. We've got the latest updates on artificial intelligence breakthroughs and industry developments, so stay tuned for all the exciting news. Our news for today includes how AI is paving the way to smoother streets using autonomous robots. Fox News. The AI revolution is already here. Defense One. AI-generated fashion models could bring more diversity to the industry or leave it with less. The Associated Press. And generative AI is coming for healthcare. And not everyone's thrilled. TechCrunch. Let's jump into the headlines. Tech firm Robotic 3D is developing the autonomous road repair system, which includes the AI's eye technology for detecting surface problems and the AI's Prevent robot for pothole prevention. The AI's Ultra is being developed for larger repairs. The robots aim to save time and money in road maintenance and have received funding from various organizations. The University of Liverpool's School of Engineering laid the groundwork for AIRES, and Robotic 3D emerged as a spin-off company. The vision is to use AI-driven robotic maintenance to keep roads smooth and safe. The article also mentions Kurt Knudsen, an award-winning tech journalist, and invites readers to share their thoughts on other infrastructure challenges that robotic technologies could help solve. Robotic systems and artificial intelligence are transforming the battlefield, with drones and AI systems being used to autonomously identify and attack targets. Ukraine and Israel are at the forefront of this technology, with Ukraine deploying drones that can operate without human oversight, and Israel using AI systems to mark buildings and individuals for destruction. The debate over the use of AI in warfare is ongoing, but the economic and technological revolution brought by AI is undeniable. The battlefield applications of AI are expanding rapidly, raising new ethical, legal, and political questions. Human accountability is crucial, as ultimately humans are behind every key decision. Frameworks to govern the use of AI in warfare are needed to ensure responsible design and use. The choices made today will shape the future of warfare and determine whether AI becomes a harbinger of digital destruction. London-based model Alexandra has a virtual twin generated by AI, which has been used as a stand-in for her in a photo shoot. The use of AI in fashion modeling is seen as a way to showcase diversity and reduce fashion waste, but critics raise concerns about job displacement and misleading consumers. The lack of diversity in the fashion industry is highlighted, with AI potentially marginalizing models of color. Companies like Levi Strauss have faced backlash for using AI-generated models, but AI model-generating companies like LaLaLand.ai argue that their technology supplements traditional photo shoots and creates new jobs. The ethical implications of using AI in fashion modeling, including consent and compensation for models, are being debated, and the Model Alliance is pushing for legislation to protect fashion workers. The article features different perspectives from models and industry professionals on the impact of AI in fashion modeling. Generative AI is increasingly being used in healthcare, with collaborations between big tech firms and startups. However, professionals and patients have mixed opinions on its readiness. Concerns include its limitations in handling complex medical queries, making errors in diagnoses, and struggling with medical administrative tasks. There are also worries about generative AI perpetuating stereotypes and exacerbating inequalities in treatment. While some experts argue that generative AI is improving, technical and compliance roadblocks as well as privacy and security concerns need to be overcome. The World Health Organization has released guidelines advocating for rigorous science, human oversight, and appropriate safeguards in the deployment of generative AI in healthcare. And that's a wrap for today's AI News Roundup. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for your daily dose of AI updates. And if you want to catch up on any news you missed, check out one of the other videos on screen. Now, why don't AIs ever get tired? Because they're always powered up. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.